Yo. Hey guys, what's up? I am me.
I am her.
And together we are
She.
Or better known as Shelly&Mauv. Alright guys, today we got a good one for you. Another notification. We are making a face mask.
Oh yeah.
And it only has 4 ingredients. Something that you have probably in your refrigerator or your pantry.
Or in your local grocery store.
Okay. Just
take a trip down the road or whatever.
Down the road.
See your neighbor leave Walmart.
So I've got a bowl of warm water.
I got the oats.
And then I've got some pecan honey.
Pecan honey.
I say pecan, I'm country.
As you see. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Nothing is wrong with that. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and drop a little bit of argan oil on it. Let's start with the oatmeal.
The oats. The oats.
The oatmeal.
The oats.
We can do a good bit of it. Just because.
Oh, yeah.
There's 2 of us.
Just the 2 of us.
Yeah. We can make it. Okay. And then we're going to dump in the lavender. Give it a couple shakes. In here.
That was great. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, that's good.
When you smelled that, I smelled this. That was great.
I'm gonna drop some oil in here. Some argan oil.
We'll drop it like it's honey.
Hey.
That sound. It just made it smell like heaven.
And then we're gonna do some all natural pecan honey. This is from a farmer, actually, who raises bees, actually, and makes honey, actually.
Say actually one more time.
Actually. I'm gonna use this knife to scoop it out.
Oh, is that why? You got that?
Got what? The knife?
Yeah. You're stupid.
You can say that. This actually looks really good. In your oatmeal or something.
I just don't like pecans.
I love pecans.
I like honey.
I love pecans. I love Chipotle.
You stupid.
Okay, guys.
How are you more country than me?
What do you mean?
No.
It smells so good.
I can't smell anything.
I'm not that country. It only comes out every now and then. Okay, it comes out a lot, I guess. I don't know.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Any drink.
I got my safety.
And when you got everything, I mean. So this is when we get to mix it all up. It looks good. The oats are already warm and stuff.
It looks awful.
And it smells good. I can smell the lavender, the honey, the argan.
I can't smell none.
How do you not smell that?
Okay, I smell it. Yeah. The lavender oil is strong.
And so we just got finished doing a crazy video with art and paint and stuff on our face. So we really need this. So pull your sleeves up.
Be looking out for that.
Yeah, be looking out. Definitely. Okay.
I'm confident. Jesus.
Let's go for it. Be careful, don't spill it.
How you said don't spill it?
Don't spill it.
Oh my god. It's so warm.
It feels good. I'm trying not to put a pecan on my face.
Oh, pecan. If you say pecan.
That's how you say it.
It's pecan.
Who cares?
I do.
Apparently. Apparently I look crazy. Oh, come now.
Oh, this oddly feels good.
Right?
This looks weird.
You probably could eat this minus the argan and lavender. Minus that.
I want to flower out for it. It's over now. I'm gonna do. It's staying on my face, Jesus.
We made enough for the month.
For the month.
For the month. For the rest of the month.
That's something you don't hear every day.
Right.
stay on my face.
You said it's not staying on your face? Or
No, I said you staying on my face. And you don't hear that every day.
Oh, gotcha. Was lost, but now I'm found.
Yeah.
Yeah, you kind of gotta smear it on like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Okay, Oats.
Got a little oatmeal mustache going on, alright. We're almost there, but things to do while we're waiting.
On your phone.
And then what did he say?
Have a drink.
Dude. Here.
Oh yeah.
Okay, our 15 minutes are up. We are more than ready.
We ready.
We're gonna go ahead and clean our faces. I'm gonna peel the big chunks off first though before I do that. Are you ready to give your ratings?
Yeah.
Okay, please. Are you gonna rub it in? Oh, let me give you some oil to rub it in. Do you want some oil?
Sure.
Okay. You don't want me to drop it on your face?
No.
Special effects?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna drop mine.
I'd give this. Oh yes, God. I give this.
So
A
smooth.
6.
A 6 out of a 10?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna give it. I don't know. It felt pretty good to me. It did feel like a little dry on my chin, but maybe that's the dry places of mine. So it's probably I don't know. I would say probably a 7. Just the way it felt coming off your skin.
Mhm.
And the after effect is really, like, the pores are minimizing, so that's pretty good.
If you like this video, if you like this video, comment, like, subscribe, comment down below, or whatever.
And if you try this, let us know. Let us know how you like it.
Rate it. Yeah. I gave it a 6.
7 for me.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell somewhere over there. I don't know. It's somewhere. Love yourself, know yourself, be kind to yourself, talk to yourself. No one can love yourself like you love yourself, except for Jesus.
Okay.
Don't stay away from A's.
You're saying that in every video.
I really am.
That's funny.
That's it. Shabbat.
Bye bye.